Find all solutions of the equation tan x minus 3 sin x equals 0 in the interval 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 720 degrees, giving your answer to one decimal place. So we need to solve the equation. So if I write tan x, what we've been given, tan x minus 3 sin x equals 0. And then if I write tan x as sin x out of cos x, so I can write therefore sin x out of cos x minus 3 sin x equals 0, and therefore I can write sin x minus 3 cos x sin x equals 0. So now if I take sin x outside the brackets, if I take sin x as a common, so 1 minus 3 cos x would be equal to 0. So from here we get two different solutions. So one is sin x equals 0 and the other one is 1 minus 3 cos x equals 0, and therefore cos x equals 1 out of 3. So if I were to go with sin x equals 0 first, so sin x equals 0, therefore x would be equal to sine inverse of 0. So if I were to draw the quadrant, this is all positive, sine, cos and tan, right? So then you'd have sine, tan and cos. So sin x equals 0 means 0 degrees and then 180 degrees, and then so I can write here 0 degrees and then 180 degrees and then 180 plus 180, so that's 360 degrees, and then 360 plus 180, so then that would be 0, 4, 540 degrees, and then 540 plus 180, so that'd be 0, 720 degrees. So we get 0, x equals 0, 180 degrees, 360 degrees, 540 degrees, 720 degrees. So these are the possible values of x. So the next bit we take cos x is 1 out of 3. So we will do the similar thing. When you have cos x equals 1 out of 3, so x would be cos inverse of 1 out of 3, and we need to find what that is. So 1 out of 3, and then cos inverse of 1 out of 3 is 70.5 degrees, so one decimal place. So then x is 70.5 degrees. So once again we have to refer to the quadrant, so it's not really a straight line, but anyway, so there's all again, all positive, all sine, tan, cos. So 70.5, so suppose like this is 70.5 degrees, then it would also be here 70.5, so we take anti-clockwise angle, so that would be 360 minus 70.5. So I did 360 minus 70.5, that would be 289.5, 289.5. So here we're going to write degrees. So the next angle again is going to be, so 360 plus, it will be in this quadrant, so 360 plus 70.5. So I will write 360 plus 70.5. So it is 360 plus 70.5, and that is 430.5. So then the next one will be, so you do another round, you would get 360 times 2, that is 720 degrees. So we do 720 would be here, 720, so 720 minus 70.5, so 720 minus 70.5, sorry I got it wrong, 20 minus 70.5, and that is 649.5. So I can write this as 720 minus 70.5, and that is 649.5. So I will write here 649.5 degrees. So these are the solutions you would get with cos x equals 1 out of 3, or x is 70.5 degrees, in the range 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 720 degrees. And that's it, really, not a very difficult question. So thank you so much for viewing, thank you for your time, and please subscribe. Thank you.